Okay, this is another laser show, and I have this tripod with the lasers, so I can. That's a little bit dangerous. It moves very quickly. Gotta tighten that. You see that? Now, if I lift up this thing, we can see some of the ultraviolet and purple different laser shows that are being affected now. What I can do, I'm limited with the technology. I can basically move this tripod very carefully with my safety goggles on and get this neat little pattern. Now I'm also trying to get steam to come out from the humidifier, but it takes some time for that to work. Oh yeah, we can see some very bright beams now. Can you see that? Near the mirror. That is quite cool. If you look over here, that's a fluorescent tube with 3 volts that goes up to 5 volts, which creates these interesting patterns. Oh, look here. Quite interesting, isn't it? This is just a laser show that I do. I find that the laser beams have to be calibrated quickly to be able to see the lasers. Now if I move this just slightly, we can get different results. Thanks for watching. Chan out.